Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you first visit my YouTube channel, please subscribe and complete watch the video because it's very important. So the topic, what is fire hydrant system? It's normally used to this industry and workplace and the job of society. If you know this rated after you use and install and operate. So carry on this series complete video. What is fire hydrant system? Fire hydrant system is normally used to industry and workplace and having very pressure of water. It's applied to having pressure to this water under of this thing at 8 bar pressure standard of UK. What is the definition of a water hydrant? A discharge pipe with a valve and spout at which water may be drawn from a water main as for firefighting fires. So it's including to its setup and apply the setup 17 September 2023 make the society. People also ask, what is the meaning of fire hydrant? A pipe usually in the street that provides water, especially from putting out fire. It's meant to install industries. What is in a hydrant? As implied, what wet barrel hydrants are water filled at all times. The console understand cap from the hydrant or bonnet holds operating setup until in place and protects the hydrant from mechanical damage and water protection. 24 July 2018. What is fire hydrant safety? Fire hydrants are in impact safety feature or any like board. They should be used responsibility and remain unobstructed. Vehicles connected by spout and closer. The 15 feet from a hydrant in any direction. Too close to carry on and apply this story and when you operate the hydrant to operate the valve. What are the types of fire hydrant? These types include dry barrel hydrant, wet barrel hydrant, one climate hydrants and flash hydrant. It's four types of hydrant used to this time. So continuously it's have a under pressure of 7 bar and 8 bar is standard of UK occupational safety and health. What is the different name of fire hydrant? Synonyms is from hydrant on this page you will find the synonym atomic and words related to fire hydrant such as fire plug, hydrant and Johnny pump. Johnny pump mean a jockey pump. Jockey pump to maintain the pressure and every time. I hope you understand this video. Please complete watch the video and share your friend. If you not understand any words, please comments and send me inbox message. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.